Hey guys, it's TK and we are back with another episode, and today we are going to be doing another craft. So this craft has been sent to me by 10 different people in the span of 3 days, and I think it's time to do it. It is one of those candle crafts that I've been seeing with pool noodles and anything you can buy from the dollar store. So I figured because I like to take a challenge, we are going to be doing this project. I bought a couple of pool noodles. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. I bought 5 pool noodles, and they're going to be different sizes, so I'm pretty sure I can make 2 out of these. And a little plate that I poorly painted and threw glitter on. Can you see it? I just threw glitter on it because I had the glitter and I haven't used the glitter, and it's poorly put on here. And the ones I've seen are pretty much the same. The ones I've seen are pretty much different levels, and you can go as high as you want or as short as you want. So I have an idea of what I want to do. I do have a special kind of gun, a heat gun, because I will be using, it's not called plastic wrap. What is it called? Shrink wrap. Shrink wrap. We using that. And it's going to remind me of a project that I did last year, which was an arch. I'll show you a picture of it right now. Yeah, you like it? I thought it was cool. It was fun to make, and because I couldn't move it to the house that I am now, I did sell it. But I'm really excited and really curious about how I'm going to make this, because I have a few ideas. I have what I want, but I don't know how it's going to look I don't know how it's going to look once it's done. So let's get into it. So I painted the candles already while this guy was drying. And he's pretty dry already. So we have a pretty textured candle. So I'm trying to take off some of the foam from the inside because the candles aren't fitting properly. That is it, you guys. So I like it. It's pretty creepy. And instead of putting flowers, I use a Venus flytrap. And I just wanted to keep it simple. I'm not a huge flower person, and to make it flowery. So I just wanted to make it simple. I was going to put a skull right here, but the way it had fit on the plate, it didn't look right. So I just moved it to the side. But I did paint it and put some glitter in his eyes, but he's not going by the candles. But this is it, guys. This was a pretty simple project. I enjoyed it, and I'm glad that the paint job did well too. I don't know where I'm going to put this bad boy, but I'm going to find a happy place for it. But if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. And I will see you next week. Bye!